Meditation is supposed to quiet your mind, but if your mind is more active during meditation, and give me the next 5 minutes, I was there too, and I discovered how the singing voice is actually the key to real relaxation. If you want to try this for yourself, I have a singing meditation. It's about 10 minutes long. It includes breathing and humming, and you can just comment sing if you want to get the link to this video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Anna G and I'm the creator of the stress relief singing method. So if you're one of those people like me who tried silent traditional meditation but your mind is just too active, then please give me the next 5 minutes. I would like to tell you how I discovered that the singing voice is actually the key to better relaxation, to deeper relaxation than just silent meditation. So I'm a singer, I'm a trained vocal coach, so my life has much to do with singing and has always been this way, and I'm actually very in this theme. But if you're not a singer, this works for you, absolutely. I tried this with students, with beginners. So my life includes much sound, many voices, music, which is very beautiful, but I need to give my ears a break. So I need silence and I need focus. And so what I did was I tried traditional silent meditation because I thought, well, this is my way. I need to do this. But right from the start, it didn't work. And I just felt like I was failing at it. I didn't do it right. And I thought, well, when this is a silent meditation, then my mind is supposed to be quiet, right? But it just started even more chatter. It was louder. There were dialogues taking place in the head. I worried. I thought about the past, the future, all those things. And I just could not let go. Even when the instructor said, just let go of your thoughts, I did it, but it came back. All the thoughts, they came back. And I thought, okay, give it more time, practice it more, and it will get better. But it didn't. It just did not get better. My mind was not quiet. And then I read about that it's actually normal. So when we sit down in silence, or we have the luxury to have silence around us, we sit down for a moment, then the brain automatically fires up all these thoughts. And it's actually a necessary function of the brain. It's the function of reflecting on what has happened, to declutter the mind, to process what happened, to choose what is important, what is not important. So, well, no wonder that all those thoughts came up. And then I thought to myself, well, what do I have to do? I need time to really calm down. I see so many people each week, and I'm actually an introvert, so I really need my silence, my time, my meditation. I need to just be quiet, and have these breaks between all the teaching. And then I remembered that after teaching, I felt always so relaxed and happy. And I remembered that my students always felt so relaxed and looked so happy when they were singing. And I read about that the voice is actually stimulating the vagus nerve. When you sing, when you hum, it's stimulating the vagus nerve. So the relaxation process is starting when you start to sing. And so I implemented humming into my meditations. That means I sat down in silence, I breathed in, and with every breath out, I just hummed. I did this for 5 minutes only, and I was so deeply relaxed. I've never felt so relaxed in a silent meditation, never. And I thought, oh man, this is the key, just hum. Breathe in and hum. And I tried this with my students. We took 5 minutes and we just breathed and hummed at the start of the lesson. And I watched their faces glow up. I watched them getting relaxed. And I asked them how they felt. And everybody said, wow, so relaxed. I could just sleep right now. So this is a better way for me. Silent meditation does not work for me. Singing meditation does work for me. So if you're one of those people who constantly feel like they're failing at silent meditation because they just can't stop their minds, then maybe your voice is the key too. And if you want to try this for yourself, then comment sing, and I'm going to send you a link to a free 10-minute singing meditation. Let yourself shine and let your voice shine, because this is how we see and how we hear you. See you in the next video.